Hey, what's good, y'all? So, Latrell, check this out, right? I'm finna show y'all something crazy. So, I just picked this up from the dollar store, right? I just got this from Family Dollar. It's the Coby AirPods, basically what they is. They're basically knockoff AirPods Max in the dollar store for 20 bucks. And I want to go check this thing out because if I go and look at my receipt over here, let me show y'all this. 20 bucks. I spent all that on there. But literally a day later after I got this, I went to Target and I got the real deal here. So I had AirPods Max before, but I ended up selling it. But I wanted to go and buy it again for this YouTube video. So we're going to go and compare the $20 AirPods Max that seems to come with actual Beats Studio Pro. So that's cool. So we're going to go and compare these Coby AirPods Max here from the dollar store. That actually looks like it come with some power beats too. So that's dope. And then go and compare it to the real deal. So anyway, y'all know what we got to do. Let's get into it. I know y'all ain't seen this in a minute, but we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and just from the jump, I want to tell y'all, huge weight discrepancy with these boxes. Just the boxes alone, like this is way lighter. I mean, that's to be expected, but that's pretty wild to think about, right? So we're talking about a $20 pair of headphones, which ain't even really $20 because this came with it too, so maybe that's $10, I don't know. But we got that compared to a pair of $550 headphones. That ain't cheap, alright? I got my iPhone over here so we can go and compare, but I just want to go and get straight into the box. So we got true wireless technology, Bluetooth, and then we got the Coby logo. So Coby's just a known well brand for like a minute now. Like I've known Coby since I don't know how long. But we got true wireless sports earbuds and headphones. So we do got this, and then we got the actual headphones itself, obviously, and then we got a built-in microphone. And then of course Family Dollar made it known that it's 20 bucks, so don't forget about that. But on the right side we got headphones, strong and durable, wireless and Knox, and then we got comfort fit. And then for the earphones we got audio controls, we got auto pairing, and then we got sweatproof. On the back we just got some branding and whatever. It's just some marketing material. All right, cool. For the headphones, we got Bluetooth 5.0 for real? Damn, that's surprising. All right, that's cool. I wasn't expecting that. I'm not gonna front. But anyway, we got built-in microphone, activate Siri and Google Assistant. We got hands-free calling up to 33 feet of range, and then we got adjustable headband, cushion swiveling ear cups. We got wired and wireless connectivity, and then we got up to 8 hours of playback. For the earbuds, we also got Bluetooth 5.0. We got built-in microphone, Siri, Google Assistant, hands-free calling, music controls up to 33 feet in range, and then we got up to 4 hours of playback. And then we got the ear gel. So all right, cool. Let me go and just get into this thing, man. So where's my unboxing knife? Ah, there we go. Bang! Let's go and get to this thing. So we got tape here at the top, so let's go and cut that right there. And it looks like that might be the only tape that we need. Maybe not, I'm not sure. Oh no, we got one at the bottom too. Ah, just like that. All right, let's go and figure out how we get this thing open. All right, we're going Foxy Carter style. We're just raging. Let's just go and get into this thing. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely say packaging ain't as good as the AirPods Max just from the jump. And here they is. Oh yeah, I can feel that plastic right away. But here we go. And honestly, oh man, this thing is light. It's honestly not as bad as I thought it was gonna be though. And this is pretty smooth here, so it's no clicking or anything when you're just going ahead and adjusting this, but it is kind of hard. That's easily plastic. This can't be metal at all. And then you can see here that there's no mesh or nothing like that. It's literally just plastic. But yeah, very cheap feeling here. You can't mistake this for some AirPods Max. Like no. But yeah, looking around here real quick, we got the left and the right in the ear cups, just like the AirPods Max. And then looking here on the left side, we got some buttons. But looking here on the left side of the headphones, we got the play and pause, we got the power button, skip track, previous track, all that stuff right there. At the bottom, we actually got USB-C. So they're finally upgrading these headphones now, and then we got a headphone jack. I want to say these are the microphones. I'm not really sure though, but you can just tell this build quality just ain't there, all right? And that's about it for now. So let's go and check out these earbuds real quick, or our power beats. So if we go and lift this out of here real quick and just push these out from the bottom, which I guess that's the only option we got. So here's our power beats, our fake ones anyway. So we got the right and left indicators here, as you can see right here at the top. And then just looking around here, we got our Coby logo. So I just noticed something out here. So there's no Coby logo on this at all. But out here we do got a Coby logo, and it looks like this might be a button. Yeah, it is. So I think that's the power button. Over here you can see that we got our charger here, so that's going to be micro USB. So they couldn't even do the same charger as this, so that's funny. And then on the other earbud you got another button here, so I guess that's just to go and control the media and all that. But both of these got separate chargers on here, so you got to charge them separately, which I've never seen before in my life. Anyway, if you go and look in the box here, as you can see we got some more stuff, so let's go and get this up out of here. And as you can see we got about 13 chargers up in here, bro. This is crazy. But if you look at this, we got a USB A to 2 micro USB, so you don't have to go ahead and plug in two separate cables, so I guess that's cool. And then we got our USB A to USB-C, and then we got our 3.5mm headphone cord. And then on top of that, we got some extra ear tips with our user manuals and stuff like that. But you know what we do with this. We throw it to the side as always. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So now let's go and throw all this to the side, throw all that BS to the side. All right, cool. Let's go and check out the AirPods Max. So with Apple, it's a lot easier, obviously. So we just got to go and find out, where do we peel this thing? Or no, we just gotta go and take off this top plastic first. Hold on. All right, now that we got it, let's go and get to this thing. So I don't even think we need to peel anything off now. So let's go ahead and get this open here. There we go. Here's our AirPods Max, and there's the actual fabric there. So as you can see, this actually comes with a case too. So let's go and get this up out of here real quick. So this is the only way that the AirPods Max can actually turn off is by putting it in this case, which I thought was dumb, but that's just how it is. But as you can see here, the AirPods are on already. So let's go and get into the rest of the box here. So as you can see here, like I already showed y'all, we got the case here that we can go and put it in. And looking into the rest of the box, we have our Apple user manual and all that stuff. So I think we also have some Apple stickers, maybe not. Okay, we don't. But besides that, we got an Apple cable, and that's pretty much it inside the box. So we got more in the actual fake box than the real box. And then in the rest of the box, we just got our lightning cable. So that's pretty much it. So you get more in the fake AirPods than the real AirPods. But first up, we're gonna start with the fake AirPods. So I'm gonna assume that there's charge up in here. So let's go ahead and press and hold down to our power button, and let's see if we got charger here or not. And let's see. It doesn't look like, okay, we do. All right, cool. So as you can see there, we got the red and blue blinking right there. So that means it's in pair mode. So let's go and pair it real quick. So we got our iPhone here. Let's go and open that up real quick. And I was just on TikTok, but let's go over here to Bluetooth over here. Oh wait, no, that's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Let's go and scroll through my 16,000 devices, including TK's Beamer. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the CHBT. So let's go and click on that real quick. And we should be pairing here. Let me go and listen up for this real quick. And I don't hear nothing yet. It's not paired yet, I don't think. But it is saying on the iPhone, so all right. All right, so I got the fake AirPods Max here. And as you can see, man, this thing is it just look cheap. And when I'm holding it, it's probably like the lightest headphones I ever held. Now, let me go put this in my head real quick. And this is what it looks like. And for the passive noise cancellation, it's actually better than I thought. All right, that's decent. So basically, these are gonna be like on your headphones. And I'm struggling to adjust these right now, but I think that's how we're gonna have to do it for the right there. All right, I know my hair a mess. I don't wanna hear it. But anyway, just looking around here real quick, this is what it looks like here in my head. And yeah, the comfortability, it's all right. Now for the moment of truth, I'm about to go and play some music real quick. This gonna be interesting. So I'm adjusting the audio right here. Just listen to the buttons. It is pretty loud. I can't hear no audio yet because I ain't playing no music, but it's definitely not uncomfortable. So all right, let's go and play some G Herbo real quick. Let's go and figure out what song we're gonna play. So we're gonna go and play Trials. Actually, no, let's play Red Snow. All right. So we're playing Mirror by G Herbo. Let's go ahead and click on this real quick. And oh, I can already hear the disbalance. Hold up. Bass drop coming just now. That's not bad for some $20 headphones. Cheaper than that. Hollows pop as soon as we saw them. Spin the block, I think we got them. Street. All right, I'm playing another song. The clarity is not there though, all right? That shit did. Shouldn't have moved. I'm just saying that one part of playing, boy, don't fuck your move. What you saying, that might be his man. So listen to these, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, all right? So the bass is better than I thought for like these cheap headphones. It was better than I thought, all right? Like I was a little bit surprised. The clarity, it just ain't there. Like it's just non-existent at this point, basically. Like there's no clarity at all to this. Now it's mostly the highs and mids, the lows really ain't even really there at all either. But just saying like with these as it is, I'm impressed. Now you know we gotta go for the real deal, right? The AirPods Max with the crown on the top. So we're gonna go and click on connect here, and we got silver for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but all right. So it's connecting, and it looks like it's connected. So now it's giving us a tutorial, but I already know how to use these. So skip, announce calls and notifications, spatial audio. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So now I'm gonna start the song over real quick. I'm gonna go and put these on my head, and I'm going based off of the audio quality I got from those fake AirPods. So putting this on here, way more comfortable. Woo! I wasn't expecting that. And as soon as I put this on, you got noise canceling out here, so that's dope. All right, so this is so much more comfortable, man. It's heavier, but it's more comfortable. All right, so cool. Let's go and play this song real quick. I'm gonna wait for the bass, because the bass kicks in as soon as we play the song, so. Okay. The bass, that's one thing about the AirPods, so let me pause this real quick. The bass on the AirPods, I never really been impressed about. The audio quality, like the clarity itself has been good though, so I've been impressed about that, but just the bass on there, I've never been impressed. That's the reason why I sold my AirPods, because I was like, the bass ain't really there, and I'm a bass head. Like, I love Bose speakers and all that stuff. I'm gonna mess with the equalizer a little bit more, but man, this is so much more comfortable. You ain't gonna have anything. My mind told me stop, but you ain't gonna have anything. Clearly the difference is gonna be dramatic, all right? Like we already knew this from the jump, but just like these never really been worth it to me for the price tag, so I still don't really recommend these. But I mean, like, come on now, really? Are you really gonna say these are better than these? Now I ain't gonna lie though, I kind of feel like these are more worth the value than these is for the price tag anyway. Like I legitimately feel like the audio quality might more fit the price tag of these headphones than these do. 550 bucks for these, I feel like it just ain't worth it for that price tag. Like I got the Sony XM4s and I feel like that's a way better value than these is. So fake AirPods Max and real AirPods Max. Honestly, I gotta say, man, I almost want to recommend these because these really ain't bad for the price at all. I can't believe I'm saying that right now. But yeah, I feel like these are actually a decent deal here for 20 bucks and they're super light. I mean, it's because they're cheap, but at the same time, like 20 bucks and you get other headphones here. I didn't even get to try those out yet. I forgot about those already. So while we're here, why not? We might as well go and throw these in our ears real quick. So let's go ahead and do this. I wonder if you have to go ahead and pair these separately or not. I don't know. So we got the rights over here. Let's go ahead and put this around my ear real quick. And this just ain't fitting onto my ear. What is up with that? All right, there we go. So let's go ahead and turn these on real quick by pressing and holding onto this button. And I just heard the sound. So let's go and do the same thing to this. Pressing and hold on to this. And there we go. We got the same sound. So now let me check my Bluetooth settings real quick. And the left ones just really ain't fitting in my ear at all like the right ones do. Like the right one's actually fitting pretty decent in my ear. Oh, I just heard it connect to each other. All right, that's cool. Now we're going to Bluetooth here. We're searching to the settings and then we got CETW571. Let's go and connect to that real quick. And it is connected now. Cool. So now we're gonna go and play the same song here. We got Juice WRLD here. So let's go and play this real quick and let's see how this sounds. All right. Oh, wow. These sound way worse than those headphones. Oh man, this is throwing me off so bad right now. Let me pause this real quick. This is so much worse than these right here. Now let me wait for the bass drop real quick. All right, hold up. Oh, no. I can't do that. No, hell no. That is the most garbage shit I ever heard in my life. Like out of all the headphones I ever tried, that is the worst I ever tried. I wish I was being over dramatic right now. That ain't it at all. Like these are way better than that. This is definitely the $20 price tag that you get. That is, I can't do that at all. Like y'all might be thinking I'm joking right now, but I'm dead ass scarred from them headphones right now. I don't know what that was. Whew, let me put these back on real quick. Let me listen to this and just go ahead and calm my nerves real quick. Oh, please just bring me back into reality. There we go. Oh, there is some distortion there with the bass, but oh, that's so much better than those. I got Vietnam flashbacks when I put those headphones in, bro. What was that? Oh my God. Now I'm kind of interested in the battery life on these. So if y'all want to see an update on these headphones, let me know in the comments below. For now though, y'all, that's where I'm gonna go and cut this. So hopefully I enjoyed this, man. I did not enjoy that, but I mean, those headphones right here, these were pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. So that was the fake AirPods Max versus the real AirPods Max. We got a large difference over here. Anyway, appreciate y'all for coming through. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and get this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, and go and follow me on my social media at Tech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. Stay tuned for more videos. And like I said, let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos on these headphones right here, because these ain't bad at all. Those are bad, the earbuds, but these ain't bad. I'm like genuinely surprised by the audio quality on these, and I almost want to say I recommend it, but I feel like you could just find something better on Amazon anyway. But if you just have Family Dollar and you really want these, I would say they ain't gonna be your worst decision ever. Just throw away the earbuds as soon as you get out the box, because those just ain't worth it at all. But anyway, hopefully I enjoyed this, man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and peace out.